Ever scrolled through Instagram and thought being a rich girl means designer bags, first-class flights, and closets bigger than your apartment? Yeah, it feels impossible sometimes. But here's the thing, what we see online is only half the story. The truth is, society has been selling us this lie that wealth equals stuff, but real wealth, it's about freedom, peace of mind, and designing a life that feels good every single day. Here's the crazy part. Most of the richest women in the world started with habits that cost nothing. $0, just choices they repeated every day until it built real wealth. But too many of us stay stuck chasing things we can't afford, swiping credit cards, and waiting for someday, and the truth, someday often never comes. If we don't change these habits now, we'll stay stuck in a system designed to keep us broke. And the longer we wait, the harder it becomes to break free. So let's dive into the 7 rich girl habits you can start today for free. Habits that will change the way you see money, success, and most importantly, yourself. What if I told you the richest version of you is already inside you and she doesn't cost a dime? Hey, I'm Sophia, your host here on the Sophia Cash channel, helping you glow up financially. If you're serious about building wealth from the inside out, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out. This video is for education and inspiration only, not financial advice. Today, we'll break down 7 rich girl habits you can start today that cost absolutely $0. I'll share how they work, why they matter, and what your life could look like if you actually practice them. Stay tuned, take notes, and commit to trying at least one habit today. Being rich isn't just about flashy designer labels. Real wealth is having choices, peace of mind, and freedom to live on your own terms. That's a kind of luxury no brand can ever buy. Here's the truth, income doesn't always equal wealth. In fact, studies show that 61% of Americans earning over $100,000 still live paycheck to paycheck. Without redefining rich, even high income can feel like struggle. Imagine waking up debt-free with no heavy weight on your shoulders. You open the window, breathe deeply, and know you work because you want to, not because you're forced to. That's the picture of true financial freedom. Society often tells us that more money automatically means more happiness. But without redefining what rich really means, more money usually just leads to bigger bills. Happiness doesn't grow if your mindset stays the same. Think of it like upgrading your phone but never fixing your Wi-Fi. You keep spending, but the connection you need, the one to real joy and freedom, never gets better. Without redefining rich, you'll always feel disconnected. Redefining rich is about freedom, peace, and living life with intention. When you see wealth this way, you realize the richest version of you has nothing to do with labels. It's about building a life you don't need to escape from. Talking about money feels uncomfortable for many of us, but silence often costs more than we realize. When we avoid the conversation, we leave opportunities on the table. True confidence starts when we speak up, even if our voice shakes. Studies show women are far less likely to negotiate their salary compared to men over time. That can add up to nearly $1 million lost. Imagine how much freedom and choice that money could bring into your life. Speaking with money confidence is like building a muscle. It gets stronger every time you use it. The first no might be scary, but the second one feels easier soon. Asking for what you deserve becomes second nature. Imagine walking into your boss's office and saying, "I believe I deserve more," without hesitation. That moment shifts the power dynamic. You claim your worth instead of waiting for permission. Confidence turns the conversation into an opportunity. Silence keeps you underpaid, while confidence unlocks doors you never imagined. Every time you choose to speak, you step closer to financial freedom. Your voice is the key to building the life you deserve. Like fitness, money conversations feel awkward at first, but they get easier with practice. Each rep makes you stronger, each word makes you braver. The more you train your voice, the richer your life becomes. Who you surround yourself with matters more than you think. The people closest to you shape how you think, what you believe is possible, and even how far you'll go. If your circle is full of growth, you'll grow too. Studies even show your income often mirrors the average of your 5 closest friends. That means your circle can either lift you higher or quietly hold you back without you realizing. Your friendships have real financial power. Now imagine brunch conversations not filled with gossip, but with dreams, goals, and investment ideas. Instead of leaving drained, you walk away inspired, motivated, and ready to take action. That's the power of the right circle. But on the flip side, negative people can drain your energy like a battery, losing power. If your circle is full of complaints and excuses, it's hard to grow strong roots. Energy is contagious, so choose wisely. Think of your circle like soil. Rich, healthy soil helps roots grow deep and strong. But toxic soil, nothing good can grow there. So ask yourself, do the people around you drain you or push you toward your richest self? Curate your circle, and you'll curate your future. Time is the most valuable currency you have. Unlike money, Once it's gone, you can't get it back. That's why owning your time is the first step to real freedom. Most people don't even realize how much time slips away. The average person spends over 2.5 hours every day just scrolling on social media. That adds up to more than an entire month every year gone forever. But what if you could take even half that time back? Imagine using those hours to learn, to build something, to create a future you're excited about. That's the power of owning your time. Here's the truth: when you waste your time, someone else is winning. The system makes money when you scroll, binge, or get distracted. But your wealth grows when you protect your hours. Think of time like water. You can let it drip away, waste it without notice. Or you can direct it with purpose, turning it into a powerful stream that fuels your dreams. Owning your time isn't about being busy, it's about being intentional. Every hour you protect is an investment in the life you want. That's how real wealth begins. Rich girls don't just spend money, they spend time learning. Every single day, they add a little more wisdom to their toolkit. And that wisdom compounds faster than money ever could. Think about this: the average CEO reads over 50 books a year, the average person only 12. That gap is where the advantage is born. Every page you read is like a seed you plant. Some grow fast, others take years, but each one makes your future richer. No one can ever take that knowledge away from you. Formal school often teaches you to memorize facts, but real power comes when you choose to teach yourself in ways that excite you. That's how rich girls master skills the world values. Picture this: you're filling a bookshelf every month with new ideas, stories, and strategies. Over time, that bookshelf becomes your treasure chest of wisdom. Each book is like a secret key to your next opportunity. Education is like planting seeds. You might not see the results tomorrow, but one day, those seeds grow into a blooming tree full of opportunities, and that tree becomes your unfair advantage. Gratitude is powerful. It shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have. Instead of waking up stressed about what's missing, you start noticing all the blessings you already carry. That mindset change is a real beginning of wealth. Research shows that even a simple gratitude journal can boost happiness, lower stress, and even improve income satisfaction. It's like a daily reset button that keeps your mind rich. Even before your bank account grows, gratitude is free, but its returns are priceless. Visualization works hand in hand with gratitude. It pulls you toward the life you dream of. When you see yourself already living that vision, your brain starts finding ways to make it real. It's like mapping your future before you even walk the path. Imagine waking up excited because you're focusing on what's working, not what's missing. That shift creates more energy, more optimism, and more courage to take action. Gratitude and visualization together turn your mornings into fuel for success. The opposite is also true. Complaining keeps you stuck in a broke mindset. Every time you complain, you reinforce scarcity, but every time you choose gratitude, you reinforce abundance. Think of gratitude like WIF. You can't see it, but it changes how everything connects. The more you tap into it, the stronger your signal to abundance becomes. That's how rich girls stay connected to their best selves every single day. Rich girls know the secret. How you carry yourself can change everything. Confidence, posture, and self-respect don't cost a dime, but they can open doors you didn't even know existed. Studies show that confident body language makes people instantly see you as more competent and powerful. Just standing tall can shift how the world reacts to you. Imagine walking into a room and people notice you without you saying a single word. That's the power of presence. It speaks before your mouth does. The truth is, the world often treats you the way you present yourself. If you shrink, you get overlooked. If you stand tall, you get seen. Think of yourself like the cover of a book. Before people hear your words, they read your presence. Carry yourself with presence every single day. It's free, but it makes the richest difference. So let's run it back. Redefine rich, speak money, confidence, curate your circle on your time. Educate yourself daily, practice gratitude and visualization, and carry yourself with presence. Being a rich girl isn't about buying, it's about being. And every habit we talked about today costs $0. If this resonated, hit like, subscribe to Sophia Cash channel, helping you glow up financially, and share this video with someone who needs a reminder that wealth starts within. Which habit are you starting today? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and start a real conversation. Remember, you don't have to wait to be rich to feel rich. Start with your habits, and your life will follow. I'll see you in the next one.